Some drug companies are reporting many calls asking about using experimental, not yet approved drugs since the president signed a measure that lets terminally ill patients try experimental drugs that have not yet been approved by the FDA. Fox 4's Sean Rabb looks at both sides of the right to try argument.
Okay.
Rebecca Hill visits her oncologist at Texas Health Presbyterian.
Thank you. Wonderful. Okay.
A relationship far deeper than patient and physician.
The day that she met me, I was in an emergency room. I had stage 4 lung cancer, and I wasn't doing very good. She came in and asked me, did I want to participate in that clinical trial?
A chance to live longer. Opdivo.
With nivolumab, marketed as Opdivo. Then it was being tested, but had not won FDA approval.
Usually we start with the basic, based on preclinical animal health studies that we knew that the medicines or whatever the new agent probably has activities for the cancer treatment.
Opdivo, now FDA approved, gave Rebecca new life.
I don't need it anymore. I haven't got it since 2016. I don't need it. It cured me.
So if a patient is in a situation where he's dying and he can't get into a clinical trial, and the clinical trials are not going to be over for many years, then what is he supposed to do?
We Skyped with the executive director of the Association of American Physicians and Surgeons, Dr. Jane Orient, in Tucson. Orient supports the right to try bill President Trump recently signed into law. Allows people to seek experimental treatments as a last hope. Texas Oncology's Dr. Deborah Patt told us via Skype from Austin she's convinced the best treatments
are those that are either under a clear research protocol or have had demonstrated efficacy and safety facilitated by the Food and Drug Administration.
There are people who think that the FDA is a necessary protector of patients, a barrier to quack treatments and so on, but it's a fact that it may take many years or decades for a treatment to get through the FDA.
And why the president says everyone should have the right to try for a chance at life. Sean Rabb, Fox 4 News.
And many questions remain, including who will pay for and administer experimental drugs. Should a terminally ill patient be given access by a drug maker?